is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now tap on clock and select alarm at the bottom left corner. Then you need to click on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and name your alarm however you wish to. After that, scroll down and tap on the switchers next to all of those features to disable or enable them. Then choose snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. After that, you can select vibration and pick one of those vibration patterns. Then choose alarm sound and pick Spotify platform or click on ringtone, select one of the available ones. Tap on the switchers next to those two features to enable or disable them, and also change the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. If you wish to, you can always click on ringtone one more time, but this time tap on this plus icon at the top right corner, pick music from your smartphone, choose done at the top right corner as well, and go back. Then save your alarm by clicking on save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it, choosing this delete icon at the bottom right corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!